This is how to save an Excel spreadsheet file from WhatsApp into an iPhone. First, tap on your WhatsApp. As your WhatsApp opens, tap on the contact that sent you the spreadsheet. Once you tap on the contact, the next step you need to take is to tap on the arrow sign that points down, which indicates download. Okay, so download it so that it will be available in the chat fully. So I'll tap on the arrow that points down. Now this Excel spreadsheet file has been downloaded into the WhatsApp system. The next step is to save in my iPhone. So long press on the Excel spreadsheet file. From the list of options, select forward. This makes the file to be selected. The next step is to tap on the arrow sign that points up at the bottom right, which indicates share. Okay? On tapping on that sign, you will see some applications that are available on your phone that can share file, but drag up on the page. One of the options here is Save to Files, so select Save to Files. Then, on my iPhone is selected by default, so which means that this file is likely to be saved on my iPhone location. Okay, so but if you want to choose a different location, tap on Browse and choose that. But here, we want to save it locally on this phone. You can see at the bottom part the name of the file, which is students information. But if you want to change it, just tap on there and change the name of the file. And lastly, tap on Save, which is at the top right. And now this file has been saved into my Files app. To confirm that, I will swipe up, then I will tap on the Files app of my iPhone. Then I will scroll until I find that. You can see students information file is here. And it is as simple as that. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel to learn more. Hit the like button for me so that YouTube will know that this is a valuable content. And leave a comment in the comment section. If you have further questions, do not hesitate to drop that in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.